In today's video, we're going to be taking apart and repairing some rear door armrests. The first step is to remove this backing plate off the actual handle. There's 4 little Phillips head screws, 2 on the inside and 2 on the outside. Next step is you gently want to pry this off. I am using an actual plastic prying tool. Alright, here we have 2 armrests pulled apart, and you can see what one is supposed to look like and what they look like once they're broken. Our goal here today is to reinforce them so where the screw will hold them in place. Alright, now that the brackets have been fabricated, we will go ahead and install them on the handle support. Alright, so I've installed the screw to help center it up and align it where it needs to be, and I'll start by going ahead and drilling into the plastic. And there you have it. One side has been repaired. You can take the screw, and once the handle's in place, it will slide right in and give it all the support it needs to hold your handle in place. Alright, we're going to go ahead and move over to the other side. And there you have it. The other side is repaired as well. You can see on the inside where those rivets come out. And we're going to go ahead and reinstall it on the actual armrest. And just like that, one repaired armrest ready to go back in the Grand Wagoneer.